Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G23. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter security. Go to screen lock, unlock it with your current password, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. First let's select none, which is actually non-security password. Now let's select swipe, which is also non-security password. Then select pin. Next let's select password, containing at least 4 characters. And in the end, let's select pattern. When it's done, we can go to face and fingerprint unlock, and let's start with face unlock. Tap start and now scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select fingerprint. And now simply tap the fingerprint sensor located on the side of the phone. Tap the power button multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done and it's set. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.